like corn on the cob. And do your job. Don't have to ask, don't have to beg. Juicy is my name.
Ooh, showtime, baby. Ooh, this will get crazy out here, man.
Get it. Almost game time. Let's get it. We ready. We ready.
Lesson learned. Lesson learned.
How are you, sir?
What's up, fellas?
Preston Clipper.
How you doing?
Daniel Harris. How you doing today?
Doing great. We'll be better in about 3 hours.
Us too. We're here. We love the experience. Everybody gonna be properly equipped today? Anybody got any casts?
We good. We good. We have captains too. 27, 97, 73.
Yeah, that's an it. You can take that as well. That's
Summertime.
We're just trying to so you don't.
I got a sweet tooth, but I stay away from suckers. Nobu and Malibu was my last supper. Everybody screaming gang, gang, gang. If folks come and get you, you gon' tell them the whole gang. If I ain't in the bank, then I'm on the plane. I can go get some money or go spend some money. They stopped me in the airport, had too many bitches on me. They don't want you to live. They don't want you to ball, getting paid.
What he say?
100 shots, 100 shots. Pull up in 100 drops. My role model used to get 100 blocks. Tuxedo with a mob. She looked at my watch too long, now she see stars.
What, 20 years?
Yeah, probably.
At least. So
I
it's not
think I
a
might have saw you at the convention, man.
Oh, yeah, probably in passing. Shoot, man.
Good seeing you, man. Hell yeah.
Show out. Please, I want to say please when you back there. That's what I want. Show up and show out. Show up and show out.
Let's go. Let's go.
Yes, sir. Y'all know the time there. 64 minutes. 64 minutes before we get on come out. Just remember that.
I'm gonna get mad at whoops. I'm sorry. I appreciate that.
Real question. Who the real target? Jackson State. Second one. All right. Everybody know we talking about dominate. They ask how. We know we gonna dominate. All right. I want to answer that question. All right. I said for one, we got debts to pay. All right. You owe it to yourself. All the work you put in, you owe it to yourself. You owe it to your brother. brother. That's all right? We all got families to feed. Friends. All right? All the sacrifices they done made for us. All right? And we owe it to the city of Jackson and Jackson State. Everybody got that? Yes, sir. Everybody got that? Yes, sir. Hey, but look, Dolph had a message for us. R.I.P. Dolph. All right?
R.I.P. my nigga.
Don't play with me.
Play with your bitch.
Don't play with me.
Play with your bitch.
Don't play with me.
Play with your bitch.
Offense ready.
Hell yeah.
Defense ready.
Hell yeah.
Tigers ready.
Hell yeah.
Big year.
Jay.